I had a lifelong desire to study law. As a working professional, I couldn't fit a program in until this master's in legal studies presented itself, and it was a no-brainer.
Being in compliance, I was working hand in hand with lawyers every day, and so I wanted to be able to understand the law better.
In our industry, specifically the casino industry, it's a heavily regulated industry, and so having that background to be able to talk with our regulators, to talk with our compliance officers, and ensure that our operations are following all of the regulations and remaining compliant is super important in our line of work.
Having the foundation of the contract law course allowed me to not only understand the structure of the contract, but the nuances in language and how you can add or delete things that would be more feasible for your business.
Many of the tools that we learn in law school is applicable to business and how we look at investments and how we look at, risk reward. And there's a new dimension now that I have because of law school that before I entered I didn't have.
UCLA by far is the most well-known and well-respected university, especially for law.
It's a very rigorous program. You are going to be pushed to your limits, and for someone that's in business, you know that when you're pushed to your limits is when you perform at your best. And so I feel like this helps me perform at my best in the legal dimension of business, and I really appreciate that.
To have that extra layer of the UCLA School of Law MLS program builds this credibility that is just unheard of.